P, are you a trader and where are you streaming from? Are you a trader? Where are you streaming from? Apple P. Okay, we have Ahmed. Ahmed Mustafa is the first trader to make a suggestion in this live stream today. Ahmed Mustafa made a suggestion for GBP JPY. Please, Ahmed Mustafa, where are you streaming from? Ahmed. This is Ahmad. Okay, Ahmad Mustafa. That's a beautiful name, Ahmad Mustafa. I like that. I really like that name. So where are you streaming from, Ahmad? Where are you streaming from? So the first asset we have on our list today being suggested by trader is British pound sterling paired against the JPY. Thank you, Ahmad, for joining us right here today. So I will copy the link right now for traders who are in the Telegram group, or for traders who want to join through want to have a high definition view of this live stream. They can join us on YouTube, right? So I pasted the link right now on the Telegram page, so you guys can access the live stream from the Telegram page, right? So we are live right now on YouTube and we are live right now on TikTok. Thank you guys for joining right here today. So guys, I need you to give me an update about your activities in the market throughout this week. No, the week is gonna come to an end today. Yeah. So what have you guys been doing in the market? Are you guys able to make profits? So let me know in the comment section. So we have GBP paired against JPY. Ahmad Mustafa, where are you streaming from? Where is your country? Where are you streaming from? Mongolo, welcome. Thank you for joining us from YouTube. If you are watching from YouTube, you can also make your suggestion. Make sure you like the live stream, share the live stream, and then subscribe for more. Right, guys. So the first asset we have on our list today is GBP paired against the JPY. That's the first asset suggested by trader in this live stream. Precious, you are welcome. Thanks for joining us right here today. This is where we talk about market. We analyze the market. We go through the market, right? So if you are joining us for the first time today, the best way to take advantage of this profile of this community is to become a member. It's simple, it's easy, it's free to become a member. All you need to do is just subscribe to our YouTube channel and then follow our TikTok account, right? Once you get that done, you automatically become a member. And then finally join our Telegram group. This is where we share free daily and weekly market setup ideas not posted on our YouTube and our TikTok or our Facebook, Instagram pages, right? So that is where we discuss in the market every day. So join us right here. Right, guys? So let's make more suggestions. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to proceed with the live stream. As you all know, this live stream is 1 hour streaming. 1 hour streaming. So someone said I can't find you on you don't have to search my ID. Don't search my ID on Telegram. Don't search my ID on Telegram. Don't fall a victim of fraud. This is what you need to do. Click on the link on my TikTok profile. Once you click on the link on my TikTok profile, then on the newly open page, click on the Telegram tab. Click on the Telegram tab. Don't never search my user ID on Telegram. You could fall a victim of fake profiles, fake groups, right? So Dorian's Comedy, this is what you need to do. Just follow the instruction on this whiteboard right there. Learn to trade. Click link on bios. Click the link on my bio. Once you get to my profile on TikTok, on my profile page, you'll see a link on my profile page. Click on that link. ChartsEmpire / click on that link, right? Once you click on that link, you'll be redirected to a new page. On that new page, then select Telegram. Follow that instruction. Don't ever search my user ID on Telegram, because if you search it, you could come across a lot of fake profiles, fake groups right there. Don't be a victim of fraud, right? Thank you. So guys, make a suggestion of any asset you want us to analyze in this live stream and we go through together, right? Waiting for you guys. Let's suggest asset you want us to go through together. Make your suggestion, make your suggestions, right? Make your suggestion. suggest any asset you want us to analyze in this live stream. Make your suggestion, right? So let's start. Share the live stream, like, share the live stream, comment any asset you want us to analyze in the live stream. You guys can give a comment on the YouTube. If you are watching from YouTube, you can make a suggestion of any asset you want us to analyze, right? The first suggestion we have in this live stream is GBP paired against the JPY. We have GBP paired against the JPY, right? So guys, make a suggestion. Drop your suggestion in the comment box. Drop your suggestion, right guys? Drop your suggestion. Drop your suggestion in the comment box. Drop your suggestion. Let's talk about the market. Let's analyze the market. If you're a trader right here joining us for the first time, drop your suggestion. If you're watching from YouTube, make a suggestion of any asset you want us to analyze, right? We have few minutes to go. Make a request, suggest any asset of choice you want us to analyze. It could be in the forex, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or index market, right? So make a request of any asset you want us to analyze in this live stream. Suggest any asset you want us to analyze. And Ahmad Mustafa, are you seeing the live stream? Ahmad Mustafa, are you seeing the live stream? Signify, let me know if you're in the live stream by replying with the keyword yes, right? Let's go viral. Share the live stream. We have 1 minute to go. 1 minute before I proceed with the analysis, right? Let's go. Share the, please. If you want to learn forex, this is what you need to do. Click on the link on my TikTok profile. Once you click on the link, you will see my Telegram group. You will see the free mentorship class and the paid mentorship class. So select any of your choice. You could first join access through our Telegram group. So in our Telegram group, you can get more information about our mentorship programs, right? So Adam, if you want to learn, just click on the link on my profile on TikTok and get access to my Telegram group. Select the Telegram tab. Right there, you can send message to me on Telegram and ask more information about our mentorship services. Right, Adam? Do that. Okay, guys. So now let's give first analysis right here. Even though the trader who requested for GBPN is no more in the live stream, let's proceed further. So based on what I have on GBPN, this is what I have right here. I told you guys we had a rising narrow wedge and with the combination of a rising channel. So for those who are looking out for a chart on this pattern right here, I told you the best zone to have your stop loss should be high. If you are trying to chart, this channel right here, if you are trying to short the channel we have right here, I told you guys the best zone to implement your stop loss should be the high swings right here. And I stated this is a trade for swing traders. And I gave reasons why I am still not yet comfortable to short this market based on the rising trend we got. You can see high low swing. This zone as well can be tagged as a high low swing. You can see that. So this is an uptrend. So I want to see a pattern like something like maybe double top, to show me there is weakness in the momentum shift, or maybe a low high swings all the way down. You can see that. So we haven't figured something like that right here. So my analysis is still active, and I told you guys based on what I have on this price chart. I told you guys we have this ascending trend line right from the swing. That was almost the ending of March 2023, all the way we got the second toss right here. That was in October, and then right here November this year, and then all the way up. So if you combine this upper band of this channel together, we can see we have a rising narrow wedge. So price is bouncing through this rising narrow wedge. You can see that. You can see our price keep flowing through this medium. So we need to see a breakout of structure, maybe to the upside, make a pullback and retest as support, or maybe a break to the downside, make a pullback as test or to test as a definite dynamic resistance before we anticipate for a downtrend. So these are the two possibilities of price breakout on this asset right here. I told you guys this is what I'm looking out for right here, and I also show you guys the risk to reward analysis in this market. If you want to be shorting down, no, I told you the risk to reward ratio, right? If you want to be making an entry at this extreme high, think about the rising dynamic trend line structure right there. And if you want to short down, think about the support structure right there at the price of the 180.540. So I told you guys, please boss, check Euro JPY. Please, is it Euro JPY? Because you typed JGP. So I currently don't understand what you meant by Euro JGP. Please try to correct that. Right? So this is what I have. This is what I have on this asset. So at this medium right there, to me, price is still at a very critical zone. If we can see maybe a test at this structure, a rejection to the downside, you could be looking to play an aggressive entry of a double top, right? And I told you guys, if you want to play an aggressive entry, reduce your position size, because the market could still gravitate all the way up and continue the trend. So if you are lucky, if the price should make a breakdown, you still have a key level structure right here to be broken, and the market should gravitate downward, you still have a key level structure right here to be broken. So this is why I stated this is a very complex pattern right here. And if you want to be taking this trade, you have to reduce your position right here. You have to reduce your position because of the hindrances, because of this potential support that lies below. All right, Euro Yen. Okay, the next currency pair we have on the list is Euro Yen, Euro JPY, and that is from Christiana. So Christiana, please comment your country. Where are you streaming from, Christiana? Where is your country? Where are you streaming from, Christiana? Please let me know your country. Let me know your country of streaming. Let me know your country of streaming. Where are you streaming from, Christiana? Right. Okay, Christiana is streaming from Nigeria. Right, thank you. So have you followed my profile? Are you a follower? Are you a follower of this profile, Christiana? So let's check out Euro Yen as being requested by Christiana, a forex trader from Nigeria. Right, so we go through the Euro Yen as well. I told you guys there's a correlation between GBP and the Euro, right? So we have a correlation between British pound sterling and the Euro. So I told you guys in the analysis I gave yesterday, I said for those who are looking out to anticipate a bull entry on this pattern right here, they have to be willing to hold for a swing trading strategy, because this rally right here is for swing traders, not for the day trader or scalper. So Christiana, if you are a swing trader, I think this could be a nice long entry based on the retest of the broken upper trend line we got right here. You can see that this level is casually acting as a potential support. But however, we can't figure out a strong bull momentum. You can see that this was yesterday candlestick price, which gave us a small a peanut candlestick, which signifies there wasn't volume. Of course, there was a bank holiday yesterday in the US, so these are one of the factors that could reduce volume in the market, right? Of course, this is euro paired against the yen. It's not paired against the USD, but the more traders we have trading an asset, this tends to increase the liquidity in that market, right? So based on what I can see right here, based on the market structure on euro yen is still in a bullish market structure. Euro yen is still supporting a bullish market structure. If you zoom in on this price chart, you're gonna see right from the swing low right here, we had what we called a bullish market structure. Okay, I think we can still zoom in on this price chart. Let's try to zoom in. Right. Okay. So this is a strong bull market structure. You can see that. You can see the strong bull market structure. So if we connect our trend line right from this swing lower higher low structure all the way to this higher low structure, we can see we have a strong bull rally. So this bull rally is still active, and let's see, maybe we can have a channel in this uptrend right here. Can we have a channel? Okay, we are able to connect a channel. So we already have a channel right here on this price chart. So we are trying to track the upper swing of this rally. So market is on a bull trend on euro paired against the JPY. So if you are a trader on the euro paired against the JPY, you can use this opportunity right now to screenshot this chart, right? So I'm gonna give you guys like 5 seconds to screenshot this chart. So get that done right now. If you are a trader on the euro yen, you can screenshot this chart. This is how your chart should look like. Okay, someone said JPY had bank holiday yesterday. Yeah, so that could be as well one of the reasons there wasn't much more volume. You can see, I think that was a holiday yesterday. That was holiday as well in United States. This was okay. There was also bank holiday in Japan yesterday as well. So I think this was one of the reasons why there wasn't much volume yesterday. I only focused on the USD bank holiday. I didn't go through the Japan bank holiday. As well, because I was actually looking for trade opportunity on the USD yesterday. So so there was a holiday yesterday in the US as well, holiday as well in Japan. So thank you for the information, Christiana. Thank you. So based on what we have on the euro yen right here, you can see the market is still in an uptrend. So the bullish upward swing is still active, right? So for traders who are looking to short, for traders who are looking to make a short entry on euro yen, I can't yet see a formation of a bearish market structure right here, right? So there isn't formation of any reason to go short. The market is still in an uptrend. You can see the high low swing right here. We got a high low swing right here. We got a high low swing right here. You can see that. And then we got a potential high low swing right here. So there's a possibility the market is still continuing to the uptrend. So this is what I can see right here. So for those who want to make an entry based on the break of upper band of this narrow wedge, you can see we got a resistance structure right here. We got a resistance right here. We got multiple resistance structure right here. We got like 2, 3, 4 times right here. Price tried to break this level, but price failed, and price rallied to the downside to test the lower band of this channel before price rallied, and they broke out. We got the retest, and this level is actually acting as a potential support for price. So for those of you who want to play out this pattern formation right here, I stated yesterday, the best zone to implement your stop loss should be at the low swing of this bar right here. Your XL should be right here, and then should be targeting at least a minimum of 2:1 ratio. And the reason why I thought yesterday you could be looking out for a long entry is based because if you calculate your risk level based on your point of interest, your point of entry right from yesterday when I stated yesterday, based on the swing low which I stated, your stop loss should be at this structure right here. And then if you were to be targeting to this upper band of this channel, this is 2.7 risk-to-reward ratio. And if you were to be targeting up to the resistance structure above, that is almost 3.9 to 4 risk-to-reward ratio. So this is why I think this is a good trade setup, because the risk-to-reward ratio is favorable when compared to the profit ratio is favorable when compared to the risk ratio. So this is why I think this could be a nice setup for swing traders. And I told you yesterday, this is not a trade for day or scalpers. It's a trade for swing traders, right? So if you are a swing trader, you could look, you could check this currency pairs. If it conforms to your trading strategy, you could be looking out for a trade entry right here. So I hope that was useful for Christiana, right? So let me know in the comment box, Christiana, if that is okay. So next is GBP paired against the Canadian dollar. So we have a trader requesting for GBP. So GBP, that is from V. Please, what's your name? Your country of resident. Where are you streaming from? You are welcome, Christiana. So someone, a trader made request for GBP Canada. Please, where is your country of residence? Where are you streaming from? Let us know in the comment box. Right. So let's check out GBP paired against the Canadian dollars right here. Let's navigate all the way down and see what we have based on GBP paired against the Canadian dollar. So the GBP paired against the Canadian dollar is still in an aggressive bull entry, and I told you guys, if you are yet to see a reverse, okay, that was Victor from Nigeria. Okay, Victor from Nigeria but live in Netherlands. Okay, from Nigeria but live in Netherlands. Okay, good. So let's check out what we okay, you are welcome, Victor. So I hope you are a member of this community. So based on what we have on GBP Canada, the market is still in an uptrend, and in an uptrend you should be looking out for a potential rising trend, right? But that doesn't mean you just have to get into a trade without looking for other factors in the market. So let's try to apply our resistance and support structures in the market. So we got those potential key level structures right here, the support, and we got some structures right here as a support. We got one right here as a support, right? So this is what we have on this price chart. Market is rallying in an uptrend, and we got a minor structure right here. This level right here, I got a minor structure. This level is being broken right now, currently being broken. We got a minor structure right here as well. Okay, actually you don't actually need that on this level has been broken. Okay, so let's check out what we have right there. So based on what we have on the day chart, price is in a rising trend, and technically, as you can see on the day chart, the best zone to be looking out for a price based on the day chart, based on long entry in this market, is at the test of the rising trend line. If price can make a pullback to this structure right here, just like what we had right here as a higher low swing, and based on what we had right here, higher low swing, based on what we have at this test of this trend line. In fact, this is a nice clean trend line. These are the type of trend line I like to trade in the market. You can see right here we have a lower low swing. So if price can make a pullback to this structure right here, this could be a potential entry for continuation of the uptrend to the resistance structure right there. And then before you're gonna make an entry right here, you have to analyze your risk. You have to make sure at least your risk is lesser than your profit ratio, and your profit ratio will be at least ×2 of your profit ratio will be at least minimum at least ×2 of your risk, right? So your profit ratio from this level, if you're gonna place your stop loss all the way down, if you're gonna be targeting the resistance structure right here, you should be able to have at least minimum of 2 risk to reward ratio. So based on what I have right here, you can have a pullback. This could give you like almost 4.2 risk to reward ratio, or 4 if you want to be conservative trader. You could be looking to pull your stop loss all the way at least slightly downward to target at least 3 risk to reward ratio, which is favorable right there. So this is why the reason I prefer your GBP Canada is a nice setup for as long as you want to ride the trend up, right? So let's check on the 4-hour chart. What are we seeing on the 4-hour chart? Based on the 4-hour chart, you can see how the trend line respected, how price respected this trend line. In fact, this is a very clean and nice chart. These are the type of charts I look out to trade in the market, instead of going to very complex and complicated market, right? You can see how this level have been just rejecting price up in a nice clean test, rejecting price. So if we could see a pullback of price to this level right here, so the next thing you have to do right now as a trader is to build confidence factors. What are the ways you can build confidence factors in this market? You could use your Fibonacci retracement tool, right? You can apply it from the last swing higher low structure right here and fire it to the last higher high swing. If you can see a pullback maybe to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, then this could be a nice entry zone to continue the upward rally to the resistance structure above. So if you're going to be using the retracement Fibonacci retracement level, then you could set your stop loss. If you make an entry based on the 50 level, you could use your, if you use your set your stop loss at least lower than the 0.618, and then you target the resistance structure above. That is still almost 3.5 risk to reward ratio. You can see that. So this is a nice trade setup based on what I can see. So GBP Canada is a nice trade setup, and then I have this asset already added on my list of watch list. So it's already right here. I've been watching this asset, but what I have been waiting for is for price to make a pullback, which I couldn't get. So that was why I see this asset is here on my list. So no one can tell. This could be a trade for next week. So the week is almost end. So next week, if you can see a pullback right there, this will be a great entry for us as a trader, right? So Victor, thank you for suggesting GBP paired against GBP paired against the Canadian dollar. I think this will be helpful for traders who are actually looking out for trade setup in the market, right? So guys, if you are a trader in the market, you could favorite this chart right on your list, on your watch list. So someone said, but can I wait to short? I will never advise you to go against the trend, because counter trade is a risky trade, since trading is based on rule of probability. So I think the best way you can approach the market is to try to stack the odds in your favor. Try to work on probabilities that support, or try to work on follow the trend as a beginner trader. That is the simplest way I can tell you. Follow the trend as a beginner trader, right? You could be looking out for a pullback, but counter trade is risky and it's complex. It requires a lot of technical skills. So as a beginner trader, I'm going to advise you to ride the trend. But if you have an experience in trading counter trade, then you could be looking out for a pullback. But I will never support a pullback. I will never advise a pullback, a counter trade setup. Best way to make money in an easy way is to follow the trend. So that's my view. Millie, how you doing? Thank you, Millie. You are welcome. So that's my view right here. So any other suggestions in the live stream? Any other suggestions in the live stream? Let's go viral. Any other suggestions in the live stream? Any other suggestion in the live stream? Right. So you guys can make another suggestion. Let's see what is going on in the market. Make a suggestion, guys. Make a suggestion. Make a suggestion, guys. Let's see what is going on in the market. Right. Let's see what is going on in the market. You guys can make a suggestion. Make a suggestion. Let's see what is going on in the market. Right. You guys can make a suggestion. If you are watching from YouTube, you can make a suggestion. You can submit suggestion of any asset you want us to analyze in the live stream, and we'll take our time to go through them. Right. So make a suggestion, guys. Traders, make a suggestion. Make a suggestion. Request any asset you want us to analyze in this live stream, and we go through them together. Right. So let's check. I already give analysis on GBP yen. I give analysis on Euro yen, and what else again? Someone said it may break, and the trend is weakening. Someone said it may break soon. Yeah, let's wait for when the trend will be broken. Once the trend is broken, you know, yes, the trend is broken, right? There's no guarantee the price is going to get to this level and continue to the upside. So the trend could break to the downside or it continues. So the point of action is right here. So wait for the point of action to make your decision. When the price breaks down, you know, okay, it breaks down. And if the price make a pullback, strong bar, you know it's continuing to the upside. So let's this level right there decide which way the market is going to go, maybe to the upside or maybe to the downside. So no one can tell right now, maybe it's going to be to the upside or maybe it's going to be to the downside, right? So if you can tell me the trend is weak right here, well, we can't yet still conclude the trend is weak, because normally if you study this price chart on GBP paired against the Canadian dollar, you can see the normal flow of trend. There wasn't much volume on this currency pairs. It just goes freely and freely and freely. So someone said check the daily chart. I already checked the daily chart. Maybe you are just joining us in the live stream. I already give analysis on the day chart. I think you are just joining us in the live stream. That is why you asked us to give analysis on the day chart. I started my analysis from the day chart. So this is what we have right here. This is what we have. Based on the day chart, the market is just going freely the way it was. If you study the past historical movement on GBP Canada, you're going to see there wasn't much volume right here. This is a type of market that moves freely without much liquid or volume. So it's a kind of market that moves freely. Can see how price keeps on moving from this level right here. So if you try to study the volumes right here, you can see the volumes are still accurate, right? The volumes are still accurate. So you can't still yet conclude, okay, the market is in a weak trend, right? So one of the ways you can know the market is in a weak trend is in an uptrend, if you see there's a formation of a small bull candlestick, that is when you can say, okay, the market is in a weak trend, right? Because if you ask me right here now, there are still some strong bull candlestick right there. For example, this is an example of a strong bull candlestick right here. This is a bull candlestick right here. You can see this bull candlestick right here. So these are still strong bull candlestick. Not until we start figuring out small bull candlestick and overlapping of bar before you can say the market is weak. Someone said I've seen a demand trade on this trade times, right? So that is my view right here. That is my view. Just like what we had right here at the break of structure right here. You can see that. At the break of structure at this medium, let's study the past historical movement on price. That price got to the resistance structure right here. Price pulled down. There wasn't a strong bearish breakout of price. And price went through a choppy medium right here. Eventually, price broke down. This was the last final leg of this bearish breakout right here. This could have been a nice entry zone to short all the way to the downside, right? So this is an example right here. So someone said, how to confirm the trend upward when it retreats to the resistance? Can the times for the lectures? Is it by time frame or by candle? So someone from YouTube is asking a question. He said, how do we confirm the trend is upward when it retreats to the resistance? I still don't yet understand your question right here, because you said, how do we confirm the trend upward when it retraces to resistance? Is it when it retraces to support? Because if the trend is in an upward direction, just like what we have right here, retracement will be to support. Retracement or pullback will be to support, while the trend movement will be to resistance. So if you are talking about retrace, that means price must retrace to support in an uptrend. So retracement is a pullback of down against the dominant trend. That is retracement, right? So I think your question is not properly, it's not right, it's not correct. You can please try to correct your questions, and so that I can have more detailed information. Okay, they said, now you corrected, said, okay, if we are in an uptrend, how do we know the market will be going up? One of the ways you can know the market will be going up is you look out for key levels in the market, just like what we had right here. You can see when the market keeps on carving a series of from this structure right here, we got a lower low swing. Price retraces back. We got what? A high low swing. Price rallied up. Tested this trend line. We got a what? Higher low swing. That was a constant test of trend line right here. So with this trend line right here, we are able to have an idea that yes, this trend line is now a dynamic support level for price. When price retested once again right here, we got a what? A rejection to the upside. So based on the past historical actions in the market, based on past historical price actions, we knew this trend line right here is a strong support dynamic structure for price, which means it is likely for price to find a support right here when price retraces down, based on past historical price actions. So that is what we call price action. Price action simply means the actions, the movement of price in the past. So we tend to have an idea of what will happen in the present or in the future based on what had happened in the past. So that is price actions, right? So how can we know this level right is going to act as a definite support for price? We can have an idea based on the trend is bullish and the market structure is still bullish. And then 2, based on the rising trend line, which has been acting as dynamic support. And then 3, there is still strong bull interest in this market. And then 4, application of our Fibonacci retracement tool could give us a reason, okay, when price get to the 0.5, there could be a strong bull candlestick, just like what we had right here. There was bullish engulfing bar right here, bullish engulfing bar at the test of the trend line, and we had like a bullish IKK pattern right here. So if price can retrace to this level, we can have a bullish engulfing bar, a bullish pin bar, or a piercing, or a money candlestick pattern, or a bullish pattern. We know, okay, this level has a potential because it conforms to it aligns to a confluence zone. The trend line, the trend is bullish, 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and a strong bull candlestick pattern, right? Likewise, based on what I can see right here, we have a kind of a supply structure right here, This level right here turned into it acted as a slight demand structure, and price broke this level right here to the downside. So if we fired it up to this upright right here, you can see this level right here could as well act as a demand structure in combination with the rising trend line. So based on what we had on the past historical actions right here on this chart, this level acted as a minor supply structure, but it was a weak supply structure. We had it right as a weak demand structure. Price broke this level. After price broke this level right here, there was an aggressive short to the downside. You can see that. So this level right here acted as a minor supply structure for price before price broke it out. So price is currently testing. If you can have a sharp retracement downward right here, this level could serve as a strong demand structure for price, and in combination with our rising trend line and our Fibonacci retracement level and a strong bullish candlestick. So this could be a point of interest for more bullish sentiment, right? So these are one of the ways you can know after retracement has occurred, it's likely for the trend to continue upward. So it's based on building confluence factors. So you tend to check the daytime. If you can see confluence factor, strong confluence factor on the higher time frame, then you could go to the lower time frame to see how you can make an early entry. But the confirmation must first come from the higher time frame, right? So I think I can judge based on your question. I think we are seeing the beginner stage of learning. So embrace knowledge and keep learning. As time goes on, you improve in your trading skills, right? Kende from YouTube, right? So Every trader has once been through that level of experience, right? So it's a gradual process, right? Just give yourself time and then embrace knowledge. Keep learning. You gradually improve. I believe that, right? So thank you for the question. So any other question or any other suggestion? Any other suggestion from traders in the live stream? You guys can make sure you follow this profile, subscribe, and if you are watching from TikTok, you can as well view this view this live stream on a high definition view on YouTube, right? You can just get access to our Telegram group. So follow the instruction right here on this whiteboard and get access to our Telegram group, and then click on the YouTube page in our Telegram group to watch our YouTube videos. And I just released a video today explaining about pips, about position, lot size, spread, and leverage. Pips, lot size, spread, and leverage. So this is a great video for beginners in the financial market. So I advise you guys to please watch that video. I already posted the video link in the Telegram page, right? Now, someone said, what if it broke down to support? If it breaks down to support, then you know the trend is gradually giving you a reason that the bull trend is weak. So, and please guys, take note, there isn't any guarantee this level could act as a support. This is based, the market or trend can change, because trading is a game of 50-50. The market could go to the upside or to the downside. But based on what I see right here, there's a lot of more bullish probabilities. So the market could as well break down. So let me show you another scenario right here, right? Let me show another reason why the market can go down. So if the market should rally all the way down, and then close below this support, then it's a signal what? That the market is showing us a bearish sentiment. But that doesn't mean you have to jump in and start shorting, because the market could rally down. It is possible the market could rally out of this channel right here, and if you make a short entry first based on the first bearish breakout, you are putting yourself into risk. Don't make entry based on the first bearish breakout. The only situation you can make first entry in the first breakout is if the breakout is in the direction of the market trend. If a breakout is in direction of the market trend, then you can take the entry. Just like what we had right here. You can see the market still retraces down to carve another bullish engulfing bar before continuing to the upside. Right? So if you are going to be taking a trade breakout, which is against the dominion trend, don't do that. Wait for a retest of validation. So if you have a bearish breakout right there, you still have to wait for a retest of validation to show you that yes, the trend is gradually giving you more reasons that the market is switching to the opposite direction. If the market can give you a retest, don't take the trade. You don't have to take every setup in the market to be profitable. No, you just have to select the ones that conform to your trading rules. And that is what we call being disciplined. Not all setup in the market you have to trade as a trader to be profitable. In fact, the more trade you take, the more time you expose yourself to risk, the more risk you expose yourself to in the market. The lesser trade you take, you free yourself from more risk, and you tend to take quality trades, right? So if the market should break down right here, you still need to wait for a retest of validation, because the market could break out of this structure right here and still continue to the upside, whereby this level right here will be tagged as what we call false breakout or bearish trap. This could lead to bearish trap, right? It does happen in the market. I'm going to create a video on that, how to trade bearish trap or false breakout or bull trap. If it happens at the top and closes back, it's what we call the bull trap. If it acts as support and close back, it's what we call the bearish trap. Because those who want to trade the bears move right here have been trapped by the bulls. So it's another powerful strategy in which the institutional traders, the big guys, use to lure amateurs, inexperienced traders in the market to get the money away from them. So if the market should break out right here, you still need to look out for a retest of validation. If this level right here or the trend line right here can act as a new resistance, maybe give us a low high swing right here and then rejection to the downside, then you could exercise a small position size, right? So this is how you take it down. So not just make a first entry when you see the first bearish breakout. Don't do that. Wait for a retest of validation, right, before you ride the trend to the downside. If the market fails to make a bullish strong rejection, right, that is great. So Uh, BTC by Gray. BTC by Gray. Please, Gray, where is your country? Where are you streaming from? Gray, where are you streaming from? Gray is a trader. Gray, please, where are you streaming from? Are you following our profile? Are you a follower of this profile? Gray requested BTC. This is not okay. Is that BTC? This is not BTC. This is British pound sterling paired against the Canadian dollars. You can see the watermark on the chart. This is GBP paired against the Canadian dollar. So you guys can make a suggestion for any asset you want to analyze. We have a few minutes to go. We have less than the 27 minutes to go. You have 27 minutes to go. So you guys can make a request of any asset you want to analyze in this live stream, and then we go through them together, right? So if you are looking out for a reliable, reputable, transparent, honest brokerage firm that offers a fast market execution platform with a wide range of assets to trade, like a 3,500 or 3,500 instrument plus to trade, I have a great news for you. A broker that allows you to trade forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities and index market, and bonds. I have great news for you. You can also trade ETFs. You can trade futures, whatever you want to trade, right? So all you need to do right now is to click on the link on my bio on my TikTok profile, and then once you click on the link on my bio on the newly open page, click on open live trading account. So once you click on that tab, you'll be able to register with the brokerage firm. It's a recommended brokerage firm. I've been using the brokerage firm for years and they have never failed me, right? So you can use that as well. So we have Obina from YouTube. Obina from YouTube suggested from GBP paired against the JPY New Zealand. GBP New Zealand. That is from Obina Oko from Nigeria. Okay, we have a trader requested for GBP paired against. Someone said, did I trade derivative? No, I do not trade that. I do not trade derivative. I do not trade precious. I do not trade that. So let's go through GBP paired against the New Zealand on our chart right here. So based on what we have on GBP New Zealand, I cannot see any trade right here. This is just a noise. This is a dirty market. I call them a dirty market. So this is a dirty market. Right, this is a dirty market. As a trader, you shouldn't be wasting your time right here. If you try to trade this market, you will blow up your account, you will lose money. So Obina, this is day chart. So on the day chart, I can't see anything realistic on the day chart. So Obina, don't waste your time on GBP paired against New Zealand. Just close your chart or move to other currency pairs, or just close your chart and go and enjoy your weekend, right? If you're gonna tell me this is a ranging medium, well, fine, this is a ranging medium. But if you want to be looking out for entry, the question is, are you going to be making an entry to long right here or to short right here? No. The best zone to look out for a long entry in a ranging medium is at the upper structure right here, or maybe at the lower structure right here, right? So currently right now, I won't be interested to trade this type of asset. But if you want to trade this asset, if you insist you want to trade this asset, I think the best zone to approach this asset is from resistance, just like what we had right here, right here, right here, right here, and I can see a continuous test of this support. So it is likely price is coming down to break this level for a more downtrend, just like what we had right here. You can see we got a low high swing right here, and we got a low high swing right here. So based on the multiple tests of structure right here and the right here, price could be coming down to break down. So that is what we call clustering of price. So I can figure out a potential clustering of price right here. So there's a potential clustering of price right here. So a clustering of price means it's a signal a key level structure is weak. So it does suggest there's an imminent or breakout approaching right here. Based on what we got low high swing, this could be another low high swing, right? So if you want to be looking out for a long entry, you have to see how price react to this level. But if I were you, if I can see price carving us a low high swing and a low high swing to a support level, I wouldn't be interested to take that type of trade setup. The only reason, the only condition I'll be looking at to take a setup is if we can see maybe price navigate within a ranging medium, just like we have a resistance structure right here, and then we have another resistance structure right here, and the market bounces up from this structure all the way down in a well-defined period distance, then this will be nice for a short entry. We know we go long at support, we go long at support, we go long at support, right? So these are the ways you trade the ranging medium. If the market should be coming right here, you should know you are looking at a potential short signal. So this is a nice way to trade the ranging medium. But in a ranging medium whereby you have something like this, whereby the market forms like this, and you have something like this, and the market moves from this level right here to this level, it comes down, it moves from this level to this level, it comes down, and the next it comes down, and the bounces here, it comes down, bounces here, it comes down. So the information right here means a lot. This is a low high swing, and this is a low high swing. This is an example of what we have on GBP paired against New Zealand. So this structure right here means right here there is a weakness in bull momentum. So this level right here signifies bearish interest. So this is what we call the bearish interest. So one of the market structure of a downtrend. So if you want to be looking for a long entry right here, it means you actually don't know what the market is saying. The market is kind of showing you that, hey guy, the bulls are weak in this range medium, and the bears are tending to be dominating. So you should be looking out for a potential breakout to the downside, and it's likely you might not see a retest, because the market already showed you the low high swing right here. So it's possible you might not see a retest. If you are waiting for a pullback, price may not give you a retest. But if you can see the level of entry right there, it's not good for your risk to reward ratio, you could look out for a retest. Maybe if there's a support structure that lies right here, if you discover you're going to make an entry right there and they place your stop loss right here, then you know your risk is going to be okay, it's going to be higher than your profit. Then you could be waiting for a retest to reduce your risk right here, make your entry, have your exit right here, and that to ride to the way down right there. So this is how you use a ranging medium strategy, right? So if I were you right here, I will just be looking out for price to break right here, close or day down. And then the question again is, if you want to be shorting down right here, you have to see what is going on the higher time frame. On the higher time frame, we got a support structure. This is a support structure which we add right from this structure right here. You can see the structure right here, support right here. That was at the midsection of July and August this year. We add the neckline of support of double bottom structure right here. So this level right here could see act as a support for price. And if you zoom out properly on this price chart, we're gonna see what we have on New Zealand. That is GBP paired against the New Zealand is. We have a what? A higher low swing right here. You can see we have another higher low swing right here. So price could come right down and form a what? A higher low swing, and then continue the uptrend. But based on what I can see right here, there's already a signal of a weakness in bull momentum, because price is going to a ranging medium after the uptrend rally right here all the way down. So this could be a point whereby the market is gathering up momentum, bearish momentum, to break to the downside. So if I were you right now, the point of interest, the point of action right here would be how price is going to react to this dynamic trend line and the horizontal key level structure right here before I can decide. Not until that, I'm not going to be doing anything on GBP paired against the New Zealand. So if I were you, Obina, I'm not going to be doing anything right here. I've only been interested to see how price is going to react to this dynamic trend line and the horizontal key level structure right here, right? Thank you. And as well, I have to put into consideration the momentum shift in this market, because what I can see right here is there's a weakness in the bull interest. You can see when the bulls were trying to pull price up, it led into a ranging medium. And whenever you have a ranging medium, just like something like this, it's a signal of a bearish interest. So it's likely bears could break down, make a retest, and then continue to the downside. But anything is possible in the market. The bulls can still come in right here and still try to pull up price. But take note, the resistance structure right here is still under. Is still dominating in any bull sentiment right here. So that is my view on GBP paired against the New Zealand. So someone said you are good, bro. Thank you, this circle. Thank you so much. Thank you for the kind words towards me. So that is my view, Obina. I hope that was useful. So any other suggestion in the market? Let's go through the market. Any other suggestion in the market? Any other suggestion? Guys, make your suggestion. Any other suggestion? Any other thing you want us to go through in the market? Let's go through. Let's go through. Right. Let's check out the market. Let's check out the market. Right. Let's check out the market. Let's check out the market. Any other things? Okay. This is the first time we have a GBP USD. Fortunately, no trader has requested for GBP USD. So that is from Michael. Okay, Michael. Okay, so Michael, where are you streaming from? Where is the country of streaming? Where are you streaming from? Right. So let's go through the chart of GBP paired against the USD. So let's see what we have. My analysis is still active on GBP paired against the USD. Now I told you guys, I said we had a dynamic trend line channel above. So this is what we have on this pattern structure right here. You can see the rising trend line. So price is still struggling to break above this upper band of this channel. You can see that. And then we have an imminent price is actually approaching a key level structure above. That is the price of the 1.25900. So if you're a trader I know most traders trade GBP paired against the USD. So you can use this medium right now to screenshot this chart before I proceed with my analysis. Okay, that is Michael from Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, we are welcome from Lagos, Nigeria. So based on what we have on GBP paired against the USDT, USD, I mean USD, not UT. Okay, so this is what we have on this price chart right here. So price is currently trading near a resistance structure. So at a resistance structure, you should be looking out for a potential pullback of price or retracement of price in a bull trend. So as well, we have a potential rising channel. So based on what we have right here, this is the channel right from this structure right here. You can see the channel, and then we have the channel right from this low structure right here. So what I was stating, my view was price could have a resistance at this level right there, and then pull all the way down to this minor structure of the higher high swing we got right here. That was on the, I think we got a higher high swing right here and the test of structure right here. So price could make a pullback to this level, and this level could give, let's try to update our Fibonacci retracement to the upper to the resistance structure right here. So based on what I have from the last swing higher low structure right here to the potential resistance structure right here, which could give us a higher high swing. If price can find a rejection at this resistance structure and pull all the way down, then this could be a pullback to the higher high swing resistance right here and the test of structure right here. And then this level right here could be a test of another minor or demand structure. So we have the demand structure right here. So this demand structure aligns to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, which is the benchmark level, right? So this is the benchmark level. So it's gonna take days. It's gonna take days for price to pull back right here. So this could be a trade that's gonna be setting up for me before the next 2 weeks, right? So you can see right here, right from the start of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was a Monday candlestick right here. You can see there wasn't much volume right here. There wasn't much volume, so it was just an overlapping of price between Monday and to present Friday. But we never know, no one knows actually what's going to happen today. Maybe price going to break out of this resistance structure, but if there should be a breakout right here, price could still make a sharp rejection to the downside, and this could give us a what we call the bearish pin bar. If price can make a strong bull breakout, this could give us a bearish pin bar or a bearish reversal candlestick bar. So if you are looking out for a bull entry, for those of you guys who want to jump into the trend, want to chase the market, if you are chasing the market right now, it means you are actually don't see what is going on in the higher time frame. So based on the higher time frame, you can see we have a neckline, head and shoulder chart pattern which led to this downtrend. So we had this higher high right here, which was the head. This was the head of this pattern right here, and we have the left shoulder right here, the left shoulder, and we got the slanting descending right shoulder right here. You can see that. We got the neckline which was broken out. So price is currently retesting the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern right here. So if you are longing into resistance structure right here, you're actually longing into a deadly zone, into a dangerous zone, right? So that's my view on GBP paired against the USD. So anything is possible in the market. The market could break out and then make a retest, validate this broken resistance as a new support for price, and then continue upward and then keeps on riding on the upper band of this channel as a dynamic support for price. That could be to the next level of the 1.28404, right? Alternatively, if price should get to this resistance structure and they find a strong sharp rejection to the downside, the next key level structure should be at the price of maybe the cycle level. We have a cycle level, that is the psychological level, at the price of the 1.24400. So this level could act as a point of interest for bulls, and this as well aligns to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. So this could be a strong technical confluence zone for us to look for a long entry on GBP paired against the USD. Right, Michael? I hope that was helpful for you. So any other suggestion in the market? We have like 15 minutes to go, 14 minutes to go, right? So you guys can make a suggestion. You are welcome, Obina. Okay, Obina suggested dollar index. Okay, dollar index by Obina, right? Obina from YouTube. That is from Nigeria. Okay. So let's check the dollar index. Okay, you are welcome, Michael. So let's go to the dollar index. We have traders who trade the dollar index as well. So let's check the dollar index for traders who trade the index market. So you guys can take advantage of the Black Friday sale on TradingView. right? You can take the advantage of Black Friday sale view up to 70% off. So if you have been looking out to have a premium account on the trading view and you don't have enough of funds, you can use this opportunity to get a 70% slash off, right? 70% slash off. I'm going to post a link in the Telegram group whereby you guys can use that link as well to get a much cheaper discount on trading view, right? So you can, if you are interested, just type the keyword trading view in the Telegram group and I'll send you the link, right? If you want to get a 70% off discount on trading view, right, you get a free 1 month and then you get 70% on the remaining 12 months. So that's going to be like a discount for 13 months, right? So if you're interested on getting a discount off on trading view, type the keyword Telegram in the type the keyword trading view on my Telegram group and I will forward you a link to create an account and get 70% off. So right now we have the index market. Let's go to the dollar index right here. This is dollar index, and you all know, guys, you can use the dollar index to monitor or to gauge the strength of the USD in the financial market. So this asset is good to gauge the strength of dollar in the market, to get the USD strength in the market. You can see this asset is currently down. And yesterday in the live stream I shared with you guys, I told you the dollar index is still poisoned for more downtrend. I told you guys yesterday the dollar index is still poisoned for more downtrend. So the market is going down. You can see that. And I said yesterday, this is just a pullback for traders who are in a shorting position to trade their profits. So for those who want to long yesterday, I told them, it's not the best idea to go long on dollar index. Dollar index is in a downflow of market trend. So you should be looking out to follow the trend, right? If you are currently in a shorting position, be looking to trade your profit. So the downtrend still continue. And one of the major reasons why the dollar index was unable to move so fast yesterday was because there was a bank holiday in US yesterday. And most of the banks in the leading economy were on holiday, like the Bank of Japan was also on holiday. So there were a lot of banks holiday yesterday. So let's expect more downtrend on dollar index. But there could be a reduction in volume today because today is actually Friday. So you tend not to have much volatility today because most of the market movers are on vacation, on weekend vacation. So based on what I can see on the 4-hour chart right here, I can't see any reason to make a short entry. This is just a setup to trade your profit. And I told you guys yesterday, there are different kind of setups in the market. There are some setup which are meant for you to trade your profit, not to make an entry. And there are some setup for you to make an entry, and there are some setup which are warning for you to get out of a trade. So you need to be able to identify this type of setup. Some setups are not meant for you to take trade. They are meant for you to trade your profit, while some setups are meant for you to make an entry, while some setup are signals of warning that, hey guy, get out of your position, the market is about to reverse. So based on what I have right here now, I can't see any reason to go for a short entry or a long entry. This is just an opportunity for you to trade your profit all the way down. So if I were you right now, if I'm taking this trade right here now, I'm going to be looking now maybe to trade my profit to this structure right here, right? Because the market could still reverse to this structure and continue to the way down. Alternatively, the market could still bull off right here and then continue upward and carve like what we call like an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, whereby this level could be a neckline and in combination with the support structure right here and then continue to the upside. So this is what I can see on dollar index. So currently right now, this is an opportunity for traders who are currently shorting US dollar to trade their profit. So if you're not currently in a shorting position right here now, don't look for any short or any downtrend or any uptrend, right? The only way you can be looking out for uptrend if price can give us a strong pullback, a strong technical short signal raising, then it could be going down, right? And if price can make maybe a pull up and then pull back up, this could be what we call the inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, whereby this will be the head and then this will be the left shoulder, this could be the right shoulder, and then this could be the neckline. But this is going to be a pattern in the lower time frame, which means the strength of this pattern in the lower time frame is not going to be so powerful like what we're going to have on the day chart, right? But based on the day chart, if price can close up above this broken support structure right here, then it does signals this level right here, this price action right here is gradually turning into what we call like a bearish trap. So this could be a BT setup. That is a bearish trap. So based on what we had right here on dollar index, you can see we got a resistance structure right from this structure right here. You got it right here. Price gravitated all the way down. Price broke this level right here, and price currently breaking this level right here. So I'm not expecting price to close above this structure once again. If price can close above the structure of the 103.827, then it's a signal this breakout right there is questionable. So this could be a bearish trap, and there's a likely price could gravitate up to the next key level structure at the price of the 105.282. So that's my view on dollar index. Obina. So guys, thank you for the support. We have 8 minutes more to go. We have 8 minutes to go. So Obina, I hope that information was helpful for you. I hope the information was useful, right? So do you have any other suggestion in the live stream? If you guys have any other suggestion in the live stream, please let me know. Now we've analyzed 6 different assets: GBP paired against the JPY, Euro paired against the JPY, GBP paired against the Canadian dollars, JP paired against the New Zealand, JP paired against USD, and the dollar index. Right? No one is talking about the cryptocurrency market and the stock market. Seems we have only forex and the index market in the live stream today. So you guys can as well ask make suggestions in the commodity market like gold, silver, palladium, platinum, natural gas, US oil, coffee, sugar, cocoa, cotton. You guys can make a request about that, and you guys can make a request about the stock market, Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Google. You guys can make a request about that as well. I trade this market as well. So cryptocurrencies are there: BTC, Ethereum, Solana, Ripple, other altcoins. Okay, we have traders from the gold market right now. That is the commodity market. So let's go to the gold market and see what we have on the gold market. So what is going on in the commodity market? That is gold, the king of the commodities market. So let's go right here. So based on gold, I'm going to have my another chart right here. I think gold is going to be the last analysis on this live stream because our time is almost up. So let's go to the gold market right here. So gold is being requested by Michael MT. And 1903. So 1903, where are you streaming from? Where is your country of residence? Where are you streaming from? Right? And have you followed this profile? Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? So guys, if you're in this live stream, please, after this live stream, please please kindly go to our YouTube page and subscribe because if you enjoying this live stream, then imagine what you're gonna gain when you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So please try to check out my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. After this live stream, just click on the link on my bio in my TikTok account, and then once you click on the link on my TikTok account, navigate down, you will see the YouTube tab. Click on the YouTube tab and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. As well, you can get access to my Telegram group for free daily and weekly market setup ideas. In my Telegram group as well, you can see my YouTube link right there. So once you're on my YouTube page, make sure you subscribe, okay? Thank you guys for doing that. So let's check the gold market. I told you guys yesterday the gold market is in uptrend to a definite resistance structure on the day chart. I always start my chart from the weekly and the day chart. So based on what we have right now, there was a bank holiday yesterday in the US, so there wasn't much volume in the market. So let's see what the market's gonna give us today. Maybe there's gonna be volume or not. But based on what we have, the bull rally on the gold, based on what we have, is still active. You can see the swing higher. This is actually a lower low right here. We got a higher low swing right here. So let's see if there could be a potential strong bull rejection from this level. If you can have that, this could be a double bottom pattern for continuation to resistance. But I told you guys yesterday, if you're gonna be looking out for a long entry on gold, a resistance is above right here. So you have to think in terms of risk to reward ratio. If you're gonna be looking out for an entry right here, where should you place your stop loss? The best one to have your stop loss should be right here, which should be LL, XL, and a TP. So if you're going to be applying your risk to reward ratio to, or your long entry to, right from your long position to, right from this entry right here, and then you have your stop loss right here to the resistance structure. This is not a good risk to reward ratio entry. The risk is higher than the reward. In place, that is almost 1.62. And then take note, you see, have to see a breakout of this minor structure right here, because we have a minor structure right here. You see that? We have a minor structure at this low swing right here to this edge of this bar right here. If you can see a strong technical bull entry, bar breakout, you could be looking out for a long entry right here, and I have your stop loss right here. Now the question is, how much do you have to gain if the market has to rally up? Because we have a resistance structure above. It is 1.13. That is almost one risk to reward ratio. Is that risk reasonable? Is that okay? Is that nice based in terms of risk? No, it's not. So this is why I'm just staying out of this market right here. Alternatively, if the market should break all the way down from this structure right here, we still need to see a test of this trend line to give us a reason. Okay, yes, this trend line right here, which has been acting as a rejection for price, is now currently acting as a new low icing for price and a resistance for price. And if you want to go down, you see how to think about the support structure which acts at the price of the 1,992. So in summary right here, this pattern right here in terms of risk, it's kind of very risky, kind of very, very riskier right here. So let's check what we have on the day chart and see what we have on the day chart. So based on the day chart, price is currently trading near a previous higher high swing. So based on what we have right here now, so I am not looking out for a long entry right here. Not until I can see what price has to do to this high. Maybe it's going to clear it off, make a test of this trend line, and continue to the upside. Alternatively, maybe price is going to break out of this trend line we got on the rally right here, break it all the way down, make a test of this structure before it continues to the downside. So in summary, I'll be looking out to see what price is going to offer this structure of the close below this structure right here, or the close above this structure right here. So in summary, I am monitoring the 1982.344 as a point of interest for a short entry, or the close of price above the 2000 price level for gold. Maybe gold is continue for an uptrend, right? So if I can have that alternative, if I can have that, that means price still needs to test this trend line. So this is what I mean. If price can make a breakout of this structure right here, of the resistance right here, expect a high volume, and we still need to see a pullback, a continuation, before we're going to be looking out for an entry right here to continue the trend to the resistance structure. That is the highest peak of gold in historical price actions. That is around the 2064.821. Alternatively, if price can break down, I want to see a test of this structure to show yes, the price can only come to the downside. So in summary, I am having my highs on the 1982.344 and the price level of the 2000 on gold before I can make my decisions which way the market is going to move to. Maybe it's going to be uptrend or downtrend. Right, guys, that is my final view. That is the last analysis in the market. So guys, if you found this live stream helpful, educative, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you do that right now after this live stream, and then follow my TikTok profile, share my live stream. And then guys, I need your help. I need an help from you guys. Please make sure you comment on my TikTok videos, like my videos, and on my YouTube as well. Watch the videos, subscribe. Make sure you tap the notification bell so that whenever I post new content on my YouTube channel, you'll be the first to be notified, right? That's a promise from me. Once you tap on the notification icon, the bell, you'll be the first to be notified. So someone said, when will you be coming live next? So I'll be coming live on Sunday, gonna be 9 p.m. GMT +1. You all know on Friday I go for weekend vacations, go on weekend vacations. You have to create a time to relax, to free yourself from the stress of trading. So I'll be trading from Monday till Friday 12. And I trade from Monday to Friday 12 p.m. or max 1 p.m. By 1 p.m. I'm gone for the weekend vacation. So I'm gonna be right here on Sunday 9 p.m. right? But no one can tell if I am less busy, if I have enough time on weekend. Maybe Saturday I could be live. Right here on Saturday. But my usual time is 9 p.m. GMT +1, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and then 12 p.m. That is Monday to Friday, 12 p.m. GMT +1, Monday to Friday for daily market analysis, right? So thank you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the likes, and take care of yourself. And good day, good evening, good morning, good night to you in anywhere you are in any part of the world, right? Thank you guys. So we'll be live right here. It could be Saturday or Sunday.